What kind of tools you need to perform jump rope? Let's discuss the tools you need to perform jump rope. You can perform jump rope anywhere. You need 3 kinds of tools. Tool number 1 is a jump rope. You can buy a jump rope from anywhere. It can be a light jump rope or a heavy jump rope. When you are starting new, you are venturing your journey into the jump rope workout, it is advisable to have a light jump rope. Tool number 2 is decent pair of shoes, decent pair of sneakers. These shoes, the shoes which you use should have a good cushion. So because when you jump rope, you land on your heels. So you should have decent shoes. They can be jogging shoes, they can be walking shoes, they can be running shoes, but they should have a good amount of cushion. Tool number 3 is a rubber mat or a decent surface. It is advisable not to jump rope on a concrete surface. Especially when you are trying out new, you are venturing into your jump rope journey, you should either jump rope on a surface, on a wooden surface or on a rubber surface. So you can buy a thick mat and you can start doing jump rope. I have been doing jump rope on a rubber mat for 20 years. That's what I follow. Sometimes when I am traveling and I don't have access to a decent surface, I do jump rope, say on concrete, but my body is tuned to it. I have been doing it for past more than 20 years. So if you want, you must use a decent surface, either a wooden surface or a surface of rubber. So tool number 1, decent jump rope. When you are starting new, a light jump rope. Tool number 2, decent pair of shoes. Tool number 3, a rubber mat. That's it.